Okay, so the cherry blossoms. I am making branches to go on the front face right now. I'm using this mold. It's just a branch mold and my brown soap dough and one of these clay sculpting tools. So what I'm going to do is because this is such a shallow mold, you can't just push it in and get it to stick. I basically have to scrape it in. So I just use this tool and soap dough, gently remove it, and I have a branch. So you can see I've done a lot of these. There are the branches on top, so there's 16 of those. Then there's the branches that need to go on the front, so that's another 16. And you can see I have some down on the table, which those are going to be for another batch that I need 16 more for. They are going to be a simpler batch just on top, because these take so much time and effort to do. Okay. There is my last branch. So now I've got to attach them. Then I'm going to attach, I don't even know how many flowers. I made tons of flowers because I wasn't sure how many I would need and what would look good. So I just made flowers and made more flowers and made more flowers, and I probably have way more than I need. So I gotta attach the branches now, so I'm just painting water, distilled water on the back, and then I'm going to gently press this onto the bar where I want it to go. So, got to do that for the rest of them. Then, the plan was to take these flowers. So there's a bunch of different sizes. I did some straight pink, some white, and some pink-white blends. Not knowing what combination I'd want. Those are really tiny ones. So yeah, I got a lot of flowers. Those are the larger ones. I think this is a blend of the white and pink. So I made these yesterday and the day before. And when I put them in these containers and seal them, the soap still stays really soft and pliable and easy to work with. So I am basically going to be just adding these all along the branch, which I'm hoping will work. And we'll see how it all goes. But again, just distilled water, a little bit of pressure, and just oops. I think it's going to take me forever to do these because I know I'm probably going to add 1,000,000 flowers to each branch, which was kind of the plan all along. So I wanted it to have enough flowers to look like a cherry tree in bloom, which meant probably I was gonna have, my guess was at least 8 to 9 to maybe 10 flowers on each bar, which is a lot when you have to place each of these individually and they're tiny. But if it looks pretty in the end, it's all worth it. So if I didn't say these are cherry blossoms, or it's supposed to represent cherry blossoms in bloom. So you'll notice that, well, I'll do an up close, but I did the base in just pink, light pink. This one doesn't want to stick. And then a few shades of darker pink. So it's predominantly titanium dioxide. And can you see, I don't know if you can see the glycerin rivers. I was actually hoping that that would happen. I wanted that. I know most people don't, but I thought it would add some texture to the bar and look really cool. So I said, I insulate my soaps anyways, because I want gel face on my soaps all the time, 100% of the time, pretty much. That's what I want. So this just, it really, I really like the effect on the bars. So I am really happy with how that all turned out. So there's the plan. So that's the top. You can see I already added sparkle. So it's to take these branches and add some sparkle. Again, I'm using the Snowflake Sparkle Mica, which is a white with glitter in it. And then I mixed it with just a tad of a dark pink mica. So it keeps that shimmer. That one doesn't want to stay. There we go. Which I am now going to just kind of brush all over, and there you have it. So now I have to go do another 15 of these. It's probably going to take me a while, but here we go. Okay, you can see I finally finished all of them. Now I have to go do the sparkle.